beauties, it's Sharnayla K, and I'm back again with another makeup tutorial. Today we're diving into something special and a bit different. I'm going to be doing a look centered around orange and yellow blush. I know it sounds crazy, but look how good it looks. First things first, let's start with the brows. Y'all should already know the drill by now. Today I'm going to go for some brows that are very soft and light because she does have blonde hair. You want to use your favorite brow product to fill the brows in, mimicking natural hair strokes. Remember, they gotta be sisters, not twins, so don't get so caught up on the shape. And please don't mind my voice today. I have a little cold that I'm getting over, so I apologize. Just bear with me. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to do something simple because that's what she asked for. It was her birthday, so I just did a brown smoky glam. If you want a full step-by-step on how I achieve my brown smoky glam, go on my channel and look at my previous tutorials. After the eyeshadow is done, I'm going to create a wing with some liquid liner from Ruby Kisses. And then after that, I'm going to move on to the next thing, which is her foundation. I'm using my go-to from Too Faced, the Born This Way matte collection. I don't remember what shade I used, so don't ask. Just know it gave a very beautiful complexion. I then applied some Tarte concealer underneath her eyes, on her nose, forehead, and chin. Just in case I didn't mess up her wing liner, I took my brush and put some concealer around the edges. That way when it's time to blend it out, it doesn't smudge over that liner. Now you have to blend that concealer out. On the outer edges of the concealer, I took the foundation brush and started tapping that concealer into the foundation or a natural blend. And for the inner parts, I used a damp beauty sponge. For contour, we're going to use some cream today, so I applied that right down the sides of her nose. We're keeping it natural but defined. Now, before you contour the whole face, you want to set that concealer with some powder before it decides to slide off somewhere we don't want it, like in the creases. Then I'll go back in with my cream contour and lightly contour her cheeks, forehead, and jawline. After I apply all the face products, I like to go in with some eyeliner really quick on her waterline and then some eyeshadow on her bottom lash line. After that, you want to apply the bronzer to the places where you just contour for that sun-kissed vibe. I'll leave some of the products I use below in the description box. And now it's time for the star of the show, that orange and yellow blush. I know you might be thinking orange and yellow, but trust me, it adds this colorful, playful touch to the look that you didn't even know you needed. And I'm going to take that orange blush for now and apply it to the apples of her cheeks, blending it upwards towards her temples. Later on, I'll come back and add the yellow, but for now, we're just going to use some orange. Now her face is looking really good, so I'm going to cut that contour, applying a little setting powder below the cheekbones and on the sides of her nose so the face can give snatch. After the whole look is done, we're going to lock it all in with setting spray because we don't want our hard work to vanish throughout the night. Now for the final touches, I like to highlight the nose for that cute button look. For the lips, you know we're going to line them how we always do, then fill them in with your favorite color. And for a final touch, I'm going to go back to the blush. I'm going to take some yellow eyeshadow from this NYX palette I got from the beauty supply and just put that right on top of the orange. And yes, I did go back in with the orange just to accentuate it a little bit. Then I put the yellow eyeshadow on top of that orange blush. And now it's giving sun-kissed, it's giving yellow mellow, real cute, real tea. If y'all try this look, snap a pic and tag me so I can see. But that's all for today, y'all. I'll be back with another look soon, but in the meantime, let me know what looks y'all want me to try, because I'll be running out of ideas for real. So yeah, bye guys.